What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Right now we are on the way to Marina Del Rey, I think it is. Our homie David, aka Blue Beauties, is taking delivery of his new Tesla Cybertruck tri-motor. Not the dual motor, the tri-motor, the one that has the 3 motors in there. Just so you guys know, you guys don't get confused. But yeah, if you guys don't know who David is, Blue Beauties, he's got the McLaren 765 LT in like that baby blue color, and then he also has the Lamborghini Huracan Performante Spider in like a matte blue color. Picked up Nick, and we're gonna go over there and be with him when he takes delivery of his new Tesla Cybertruck. I'm excited. Nick's excited. We should get a Tesla Cybertruck together. You know how crazy that would be when we wrap it orange?
No. I already told you if I got one, I'd wrap it
Chrome? Chrome would be crazy, yeah. Something like that. Because the car itself is already crazy looking. So imagine if we do like a crazy wrap on top, it would be pretty sick. But like I said, we're on our way down there right now, and I think we're gonna probably like photo shoot, go for a ride, take some pictures, get some content of the new Tesla Cybertruck. And it'll actually be my first time getting a ride in one. Like, I've seen them in person and stuff like that up close, but never actually sat inside of one or got a ride in one. So that's where we're going right now. We're on the way. It's been raining a little bit here in Cali. We're in the E92, trying to take advantage of the E92, get as much driving time as I can, because like as you guys know, I don't drive this car very often. So all right guys, we have made it to the Tesla, I think the dealership headquarters. Let's go to the showroom. As you can see, someone's taking delivery of theirs over there. There's the red one that David came in, but we're gonna go inside the showroom and let's check out the, thank you. Oh my God, dude, this is my first time in here. Oh, damn. Jeez. This is sick. No way, I'm really like smoking everything. Oh my God. That's freaking sick. No way. Look at all the trucks. Look at how they all light up, guys. Isn't that crazy? Oh my, look at the windows too. No way, guys. Crazy. Oh my God, bro. The freaking delivery is insane. That's insane. That's sick. They got so many of them. I think this is the most I've ever seen. This is the most I've crazy. Ever seen. Wow, guys. That's freaking awesome. David, bro.
Look at this Alcantara dashboard, bro.
Oh, no what the fuck? That is insane. Oh my gosh, bro.
God, bro. Hold on, I gotta
so
change this light to
sick.
blue before we get all this recording.
So
hold on. Hold the door, hold the door.
All the details in this thing is just crazy. Damn, I want one now. Just look how this thing looks, guys. It's crazy. Look at the windshield wiper.
Bro, I heard
holy
it's the biggest windshield in the world.
That
biggest windshield
crazy.
wiper.
Yeah, I just saw that, and it's only one. Holy shit. Sick. Wow. Show the interior real quick. Dude, it's so sick.
Alcantara?
That's just hard.
Bro,
Dude, don't touch the metal. Nobody touch the metal.
Do you have a? I feel like this is gonna be David's new favorite car.
For sure.
He's not even
He's
gonna
gonna be,
drive.
yeah, he's gonna be driving. This is what he's gonna be driving all the time.
He's for sure gonna take this to the
This is so
every
sick,
day.
dude.
Bro.
Wow.
Look how far this opens, bro.
Wow, dude.
Oh man.
That's sick.
There's the
Dude, that shit's insane, bro.
We're gonna do way different.
What color are you gonna wrap it?
Orange? Oh. Oh.
Damn, bro.
That's just sick.
Oh.
Comment down below. What do you guys think about the new Tesla Cybertruck? Honestly, I'm in love with it. It's so sick. It's different. It's unique, and I don't know. It just looks sick. It's different than every other car on the road. And when you see this thing pull up, it's just like, what the heck is this? You know? I don't know. I think it's a sick ass car. I'd for sure cop one, but I know like the wait time to go and order one is gonna take forever. But this shit is sick. That's just sick, bro.
Hey, can I get one of those hoodies that he has? The one
How much? 121.
On the side, this one will do the both sides or one side.
Oh, it goes up like that.
And where'd you say?
Tri-motor, all-wheel drive,
seatbelt.
lithium-ion, high-voltage battery.
That is so
Sick.
cool, man. Look at this, bro. That is so sick.
I don't know if you guys see, but it says foundation right there as well.
Has your name on it?
Oh, bro, did you guys
What?
get that?
I didn't even notice it.
Yeah. Hold on, do you see this, Dennis?
No way.
Oh, it's mine.
Damn, look at this one, the red one. Matte red looks crazy.
The window.
What the?
Crazy, yeah.
Carbon on the, oh my gosh, no way. This is like the first modded Cybertruck that I see. Carbon fenders, that's crazy.
See all the mods on this?
Yeah.
They're kind of still prototype, but like you just did the RGB LEDs inside.
That's wild. Damn, that looks crazy. Dude, look how it looks. It's just fire.
That's finally here after 4.5 years.
That is wild. That's fire. This is cool though. I like it. It's very different, unique. I like the color, the body style. It's just, it's a very nice car. Look at that, another Tesla Cybertruck. I want to be taking delivery.
We have
Sick.
like a whole roll of them.
So they just raised the Tesla. Look how high it goes. Holy crap. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so sick. We need one. Look how tiny the mirror is, the rear mirror. Look at this too. That's crazy. It's like welded. It says Cybertruck on there. Cybertruck sandwich. Trap between the two. But Nick is actually driving the red Cybertruck. We got David in his. I wonder how it must feel to drive a Cybertruck. Bro, that shit looks insane. This color too is just ridiculous. We got David. I think I like this color, the way it comes. This looks sick. Video game.
You already did?
Rich. Yeah. I was driving.
That was sick.
Yeah? How does it feel?
It's
Crazy. I was gonna ask him, how do you like it?
Bro, it's insane. I mean, it's crazy. I'm just like still tripping out. When you go to make a turn, like I'm getting close to the wall, but you have so much more space, but you can't tell. It's like a snub nose, like a dog with the like the the pudgy, So, and then I didn't see it at all, I think because I was really focused on driving and in the UI. But here, bro, oh my God, like I saw this guy, I thought like I did something wrong and he's like stopped, and then you see him, he's got the video camera, and then like everybody pulls out their phones, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would you get one? It was sick?
Bro, I actually want one.
Fast?
It's fast, dude. What's crazy is his is even like twice as fast.
Yeah.
So I can't imagine his, because his shit's fast.
Alright guys, a little breakfast.
Like eating. Say hi. Really?
Where's your food at? Alright guys,
Bro, no
we're on Melrose. Look, Soldier Boy,
bro.
Soldier Boy trying to see David's Tesla truck.
Hey, dude. Hey, yo, we got the SODMGs though. Make sure y'all pull up. We about to pull up
Right
back to
here.
back. Crazy,
Oh, yes, sir.
So random.
Yeah, so no, I'm a.
Take my number
Yeah, I
down.
will, because I'm trying to get like you, man. I'm a small dog. You know, I'm trying to move up.
Trying to get like me. I'm trying to get like you. Trying to get like each other.
That's what's up.
Nah, y'all know what it is,
What's
man.
up?
It's your boy Soldier Boy outside.
That's right.
Pull up to the SODMG store. It's my boy first day pulling out in that Cybertruck.
First day, just
Elon, you better know what's going on.
You gotta get Soldier Boy in one of these quick. We're about to do it. That's what's up. That's what's up.
We're about to have a third one roll up with us too, right?
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.